The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate criminal operations, and organic market. This multitude of variables make directing a specialist examination of digital currency critical in the present market. Brise is another venture in the cryptographic money world that has acquired prominence in view of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert venture's subtleties, track down the solutions to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost forecasts. What is Bitgert Brise? This year, Bitgert is among the most intriguing cryptographic money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It publicizes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade DEX. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell BRC20 tokens. The Bitgert network was advertised as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange expenses. However, it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing contentions in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous DApp discharges on Bitgert convention, from non-fungible token (NFT) commercial centers to decentralized finance (DeFi) conventions. The Bitgert biological system truly extended in the main year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries concerning the Bitgert project, for example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes publicizing. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. Due to the absence of top-notch first individual data, the venture is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and bits of gossip. Its appearance led to countless bits of gossip. The crypto local area focused on the dubious similitude of this picture with the after effects of artificial intelligence-based photograph generators. That large number of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to safeguard privacy. The problematic promoting strategies utilized by the venture group are dubious too. Thus, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They compassed a lot of articles about Bitgert, referencing the venture just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful undertaking on a standard with currently effective and demonstrated digital currencies like ADA, SPEL, and so forth. What number of Bitgert coins are there? The undertaking's self-revealed flowing stockpile is 427,350.68 B Brise. What is Bitgert crypto? Brise is a BRC20 symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for the Binance blockchain. Where is Bitgert recorded? You can track down Brise on MEXC, KuCoin, XT.com, Gate.io, and Bitmart. In August 2022, the Tasks Administration freely communicated its eagerness and availability to help out Binance by means of Twitter. The exchange's cycle has proactively begun, and to praise this key achievement, Bitgert has swore to offer $5 million worth of Brise to the Binance People Group in the event of having it recorded in Binance. Bitgert value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.00000050 and Brise is buy position number 227 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Bitgert is 395,688,215,721,653. Brise, with a market cap of $197,581,559.06. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0.0000000045 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 7.81%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 57.51%. Adding a huge typical measure of $0.00000029 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource, now assuming it keeps on developing. Bitgert value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.0000006699. The most extreme level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.00000799. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000699. Brise value figure for February 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.00000519 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00000047 and at $0.00000539 individually. WOC 2023. Bitgert Value Gauge Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Brise cost in WOC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0000050999, while the most extreme could reach $0.0000055999 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.0000052999. Brise value gauge for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Bitgert in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0.0000055999 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.0000052999 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.0000058999. May 2023. Bitgert value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.0000056999 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.0000000699. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0000054999 in May 2023. Brise value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.0000058999. The most reduced and top Brise rates may be $0.0000056999 and $0.0000062999. July 2023. Bitgert value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0.00000699. In July 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0.000000058999. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.0000064999.